Hi, this is Marina from Health Glows, a certified vibrant health and nutrition teacher. In this video, I'm teaching you how to make a delicious yet healthy, salty tasting chips with only one ingredient, which is ta-na-na-na, tomatoes. And in the main row is a dehydrator. Thinly slice the tomatoes. Place the tomato slices onto dehydrator trays. Place the dehydrator trays into the dehydrator. Set up the dehydrator at 135 Celsius, that is 275 Fahrenheit degrees, for the first hour, and then at 47 Celsius, that is 117 Fahrenheit degrees, for the next 7 hours of dehydrating. After about 8 hours of dehydrating, the chips is ready. And now, let's give these chips a try. Salty with no salt added, crispy, yummy, and healthy. I hope that you appreciate this recipe and this video. If that's so, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and comment down below. I would love to hear from you. If you want to peek into my daily life, just follow me on Instagram or maybe on other social medias, all under Health Glows. Until the next video, I'm wishing you all the best and keep glowing. Bye bye.